Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of CYT-Crypto. My name is Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be looking at 5 projects that are going to 10x soon. In my opinion, not financial advice, all that jazz. I spoke about yesterday in a video about the 3 to 6 crypto millionaire ladder, or millionaire crypto ladder. And basically what that was is we're looking for projects that are going to 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, because we don't need to make a lot of money to make a lot of money. So to start with, you can go from $1,000, which is the three zeros, to 6 zeros, which is $1 million. So $1,000 to $1 million, and we're looking for projects that are going to go 100%, 200%, 500%, or 1,000%. And in this bull market, it shouldn't be that hard. So over the next few weeks, however long this bull cycle is going to go, I'm going to be looking at projects that could possibly 10x or double or kind of 5x or whatever. But I think these could 10x. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos about that as well. So it'll be quick videos. I'm not going to go into in depth about the projects. It's just projects that I like, that I'm looking at. So you have to do your own research on them. But these are the projects that I like. So we're going to kick off with Planet Finance. Planet Finance is coming out with a project soon called the Green Planet, which is going to be the credit and lending platform, or lending credit platform. And this is going to explode the TVL, which is total value locked in this, which is about 400 million. So we'll launch the app very quickly just now to show you why I like this. This is the red planet. They've got the blue planet, red planet. Uranus is out just now. Green planet's coming next. The purple planet is going to be for the NFTs as well. So there's going to be lots coming out soon for this. You can see the total value locked is $385 million just now. The price has actually gone down to $1,000. This, in my opinion, is a steal, and it might go down further. It might go down to $800 or $900 because a lot of people might be selling off their Aqua token soon because the Green Planet's coming out. So a lot of people don't really understand how this is working. We want to hold the Aqua token, which is the governance token, and you're going to get rewarded as well for holding Aqua with Gamma tokens, which is a new Green Planet tokens that's going to be coming out. But the Aqua token is what I'm focused on just now. There's only ever going to be 100,000 Aqua tokens. However, once the Green Planet comes out and the transaction fees that come out from the Green Planet for swapping, for lending, for borrowing, a portion of that is going to be used to burn Aqua tokens. So it's going to become a deflationary token on the 18th of November, which is in 3 days' time. Now, they burn 314 Aqua just now, so that figure is going to go higher and higher all the time. They burned, and the token that's going to be available is going to be much less than 100,000. So it's just going to go down all the time. Every single day, Aqua token is going to go down. So for that reason, I think Aqua could go up to $10,000. $10,000 here with a market capitalization of 97 million just now. We're talking about still under $1 billion. So I think this is easily a 10x. I've been talking about it for ages. I've done loads of videos on it. It's been up to nearly $2,000. It's down to $1,000. It'll probably go down to $800. But this is one I think is really going to explode soon. Bought more. I've been topping up as it's been going down. A lot of people just don't understand this, and it's crazy. So that's the first one, is the Aqua token. We'll look at the price just now. You can see it went all the way up to 2,200. It's come back down to the $1,000 area. And this has gone up, remember, from about $100. So it did 20x first of all, then it's come back down again. So this is just natural. This is not worrying at all to me, this graph. And as I said, the market capitalization is 96 million. And the diluted market capitalization is also 96 million. So there's only ever going to be 100,000 tokens. This is going to explode. Don't look at these numbers, total liquidity and the daily volume. That is only on PancakeSwap. Do not buy it on PancakeSwap. Buy it from their own AMM. And that's the automated market maker. The liquidity is much, much higher there. And we'll see the liquidity on DexGuru. DexGuru is not working. The chart's not working for some reason just now. But you can see the liquidity. There it is coming up just there. But it's got all the wrong prices. So there's something wrong with the prices in the chart and DexGuru just now. But the liquidity for Planet Finance is about 10.3 million. Trading volume is about 4 million just now. So don't pay attention to the DEX tools because that doesn't include the actual Planet Finance AMM. It doesn't include that. It's only for PancakeSwap. So I wouldn't buy it. on PancakeSwap. Do not buy it. Buy it directly from the site if you're going to buy it, and you'll save yourself a ton of money. Trust me, because the liquidity is so much higher. Like we're talking about 50x higher than what it is on PancakeSwap. The next one we're going to be looking at is something called Cellframe. So this is a service-oriented blockchain platform built and managed quantum safe. This is a key operative word here, quantum safe blockchain solutions with Cellframe SDK. Now, this is one I've had on my watch list for a while now. And the reason I like this one, because it's just coming out, as I said, it's been on my watch list for a while. Somebody wrote to me about it, said, if you looked at Cellframe, and I looked at it again, it was just breaking out of a long-term descending triangle. So if we look at this, long-term descending triangle, really from the beginning of March, it's been going down and down and down. It kind of stabilised, went up, came back down again, but now it's broken out of this triangle, and I'm expecting this, if we kind of do a measured move, to around $7.30. It's currently at $3 just now. Now, I first seen it and got into it around about $1.80 because it just broken out. I kind of tried to retest it, but it just broken out, so it was $1.80. I didn't call it in the group, and I wished I had it on the day, because I thought it might come back down to retest it, but it didn't. It just kept on going up. So I'm expecting this to kind of 100% from here, but I do expect it to, in the longer term, to 10x from here as well. Hopefully in this bull run, as more and more people get to find out about it. The volume on this is really good. If we look at the volume, daily volume is about 5.5 million. Total liquidity is 2.1 million. So I really like this project, and I think it could go much higher. And if we look at Cellframe, so we've got a market cap of only 74 million. And we've got a fully diluted market cap of $93 million. So this is why I think it could 10x, because of the market cap, because of the daily volume as well. More and more people are getting to find out about it. Kind of layer one solution that could really explode as well. But again, do your own research on this. I've just gone into it as well after having it on my watch list for such a long time. Way back in April, and it just kept on going down. I thought I'll keep an eye on it. This could be a good one for the future, and now is the perfect time. Okay, the next one we're going to be looking at is Veracity. You know, I've spoken loads about Veracity. I've kind of tweeted a hell of a lot about Veracity, and I've not tweeted for ages about Veracity because it's going up. It went up from 2 cents, then 3 cents, 5 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents. So I didn't feel the need to keep on telling people about this, because more and more people are getting to find out about it. But it's come back down again. It's at 6 cent area, or just under 6 cents. And I really think this could 10x. This is really kind of going to be embedded in the gaming niche as well. You know, I've spoken about loads of times about the gaming niche. Veracity is kind of positioning itself to work perfectly within that kind of metaverse gaming niche as well, with esports coming out. Gaming is going to be huge over the next couple of years on the blockchain, and Veracity is going to be at the very center of everything that gaming is doing to get correct stats for that as well. And this is a big thing, the proof of view technology. They need those stats for advertising and for correct statistics, as well as other things that are going on as well. They've got loads of other things going on. Plus you can still stake these for 25.5% APR just now, which is fantastic. Been staking for a while. Obviously taking some profits on this because it has gone up so much. It has gone up quite a lot, but I've still got a big stack of these, still really love it. And if you look at the numbers for this, market cap of only 279 million, we'll have a fully diluted market cap of around $1 billion just now. That's fully diluted, but I still think this could 10x from here because it's going to be so embedded in the gaming industry over the next couple of years on blockchain. The daily volume for Veracity, we're looking on Bittrex is 4 million, on KuCoin is 26 million, Gate.io is 5 million. A lot of people are trading this just now. A lot of people are holding this just now, or staking it just now. So this could really explode quite soon. It did go up to about, I think it reached about 10 cents and came back down. And I've been talking about it for ages, and now people are starting to kind of pick up on it. Well, loads of people have picked up on it already. But this, I think, could explode as well. Okay, the next one we're going to be looking at is FibSwap. FibSwap I've spoken about before as well. This is already, we got in it this at the very, very beginning. And this is a DEX, but it's a multi-chain DEX, a cross-swap DEX. So you can swap any token that's on the Ethereum network to any token that's on the BSC network, or any token that's on the Polygon network, any token that's on the Phantom network. Soon to be, it's going to be any token on the Solana network as well. This is going to be huge. They've got some funding behind them as well, which they're going to be using to improve their DEX as well. They've got staking going on just now. You can get, or farming and staking. This is, if you look at the farming from the DEX, you can see what they've got. They've got Burio as well in this, which is under the umbrella of FibSwap, which is going to be coming out with a poker app very, very soon. I'm staking Burio. I've got Burio as well as FibSwap tokens. You can stake, you can lock it for 3 months and get an APY of 20%. You can lock it up for 6 months, get an APY of 31%. Again, for Burio, you can lock it up for 3 months, get 107%. With Burio, you can just, the standard is 31% APY, not APR, APY. I think these two tokens alone really 10x, could 10x big time. And if we look at the market cap just now, the market cap of this is only 51 million just now. So this could really explode. It's actually smaller than that, but this could really explode as well. And you can see where it's been before. So it's been all the way up to 2.2 cents already, and it's now 0.5 of a cent at the moment. So to get to where its all-time high is 300%. I was going to say only 300%. It is only 300% because they didn't have everything out back then that they do now. And the farming, the staking, everything going on with Burio, everything going on with the DEX, the VC backing as well. They've got a lot going on, and this could really explode very, very soon. I hold a ton of these, always have. Taking profit, obviously, as well, but supporting FibSwap all the way, diamond handing it, with a load of others in the group as well. Okay, the last one I'm going to be looking at is my neighbour Alice. I think the metaverse is going to be huge. We know it's going to be huge. Everybody's been speaking about it, but we're looking at the ones that are down just now. So we look at my neighbour Alice and say, okay, the metaverse, we can see a lot of them exploded already. Starlink has exploded. Kind of this week, UFO Gaming has exploded, Render Token. So just in this field, a lot of them are really kind of exploding just now. And I believe my neighbour Alice is going to be up there as well, and it's going to be 10x. And so we are at just now 124 million volume. 124 million volume just now, and it's only a market cap of 264 million. And we look at the fully diluted market cap as 1.5 billion. Now, I've spoken about the gaming tokens before and the metaverse tokens, how this is not really going to apply to them once you get into the statistics of what's actually going to happen with these gaming and metaverse tokens, because you're going to be looking at a whole set of different parameters for this and different statistics. You're not going to be looking at the fully diluted valuation or the market cap for these. You're going to be looking at the player statistic, how much are they spending, how much is it making, etc. That's the numbers we're going to be concentrating on in the future. But for now, we look at this fully diluted valuation of 1.5 billion. I don't think that's too high, but a market cap of only 264 million at the moment. I think this could 10x, and we could see my neighbour Alice up $150 next year. I'm not saying straight away, but we could easily get 100% from here. It's down 63% from its all-time high. So its all-time high has been $21.13. So it's down 60% from that just now, and it's only done a 3x from its all-time low, which is or 367%, which is 3.67x. So I think this could explode as well, and really keep an eye on the metaverse tokens as well. I'll be doing other videos on gaming and metaverse as well, what's going to be up and coming. But for now, these 5 projects I think are going to 10x very soon. When I say very soon, I'm talking about within the next probably 4 months to 6 months. So I'm expecting that to happen very soon. And watch my other video on the 3 to 6 millionaire crypto ladder as well to understand what I'm talking about here when I'm talking about the 10x's, etc. as well. Okay, that's it for now. Until next time, namaste. Take care. Bye now.